Hey everyone, welcome to the channel, and today we are going to see proposal writing practice. Today we are going to do proposal writing. Okay, we are going to practice of this proposal writing with the help of a question. Now, today what we are going to do today, I'm going to tell you what is the right method. Means what are the tricks and tips, and what are the which type of language you should put in your proposal writing for the board 2024 and 2025, so that your even point 0.5 even point 0.5 marks will not deduct. Which type of language, which type of style, which type of way, and which strategy you have to put in your proposal, so that in your further boards examination you will not lose even a point marks. Yep, this is a very important thing to discuss. Okay, till now I have told you a lot of proposals, right? I have given you for the practice as well. You have done with the previous format which I have told you. Those formats are very nice and they both are correct. Okay, I have not changed the format beta, but I have changed the style. In this video I am going to tell you that how you have to appear in the proposal writing for board examination, so that your even 0.5 marks will not deduct. एग्जामिनर देखते ही आपको 15 में से 15 मार्क्स ऐसे ही दे दे. एक तरीका, एक स्टाइल, एक अट्रैक्टिव वे और एक अट्रैक्टिव फॉर्मेट में आपको आज बताने वाला हूँ. ओके, प्लीज़ ट्राई 3 to 4 proposals on the same फॉर्मेट मैंने चेंज कुछ नहीं किया है, बस मैंने लिखने का तरीका, जैसे हम स्टाइल कहते हैं इंग्लिश में, उसे चेंज किया है कि किस फॉर्मेलिटी से आपको लिखना है. मतलब क्या फॉर्मल, आपको कितना ज़्यादा फॉर्मल रहना है, आपको कितना पोलाइट रहना है ड्यूरिंग राइटिंग, वो सारी चीज़ें मैं आपको आज बताने वाला हूँ. सो लेट्स गो विद द प्रपोजल राइटिंग. इट इज स्पेशली फॉर योर बोर्ड 2024 and 25 एंड योर फर्दर बोर्ड्स एज वेल. ओके, मतलब बेसिकली क्लास 12 के लिए ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा, क्योंकि इसमें जो तरीका मैंने आपको बताया है, ओके, दैट विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल टू यू चिल्ड्रेन. ओके, सो ऑब्वियसली एक बार मैं फिर आपको बता देता हूँ कि प्रपोजल में क्या होता है. ओके, प्रपोजल का फॉर्मेट क्या होता है. लेट्स गो. So, first of all, you are having the heading, right? Then objectives. Then you are having the list of measures. Okay. Then you are having the participant. Very important. Some like student, they forgot this particular point. Because of this, their marks eliminate or deduct. So please, this is a very important point. You have to mention after list of measures. Okay, so headings, objectives, list of measures, participants, then requirements. Okay, requirements. Requirements, then budgetary requirement. Budgetary requirement, and at the last you have to write a conclusion paragraph. Okay, conclusion. That's it. And last, name. Okay, and some guys say, well, some students used to say that name is not mandatory. No, it is mandatory. I don't know what what your teacher has done, but the name is very crucial. You have to put your name at the last. Okay, name is really important. You have to put your name. Okay, so this is the format, overall format. I have not changed anything, right? But the way, the style, okay, the style, the font, I have changed the font. Okay, I have changed the style, I have changed the way, how politely I have expressed my own view. You are going to see in this proposal. So let's go and let's see with the help of a question. And the question says, as a member of the student council of your school, you have been assigned a responsibility of setting up an international play competition. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to establish a international, you have to establish an international play competition means international means you have to invite many schools surround which are situated surrounding to you in your own school. You have to do a inter school competition. Okay, if there will be a question intra school, so what is the meaning of intra school? Within the school, matlab the children of the entire school will be the competitor, but inter school means the different school will combine together and form a competition. Okay, I hope you are clear with this concept. So you have to establish a like an inter school play competition to arouse their skills, to arouse their gaming skills, to arouse their like physical skills, right? So for that you have to write a proposal in not more than 150 words. The word limit will always be given to you, that is 150 words, and stating the steps you would take to successfully set up this event. Okay, I hope the question is clear. Very simple. You have to establish an inter-school play competition. Okay, in this you have to call, or you have to invite the students from different school to attain the competition, or to attain the what we could say, to do the participate in the competition. Okay, so let's go with the format. Same, the format will be same. Okay, first will be heading. Very simple heading. What is giving the question, you have to extract the heading from the question itself. Okay, nothing extra you have to do in the heading. You have to just simply extract the heading. What the question is saying to you, you have to establish an inter-school competition. So you have to write in the heading, to set up an inter-school competition or the inter-school play competition, to organize an inter-play competition, or to set up an inter-play competition. Simple. This will be your heading, no change. Right? Next, objectives. What is the meaning of objectives? Objectives means what are main aim, what are main aim. Okay, and what is our main aim that you have to put in the objectives. So you have to put your aim, what you want to do by organizing this competition. So you have to write this line. This include the following. Very simple line, but yet very significant line. Okay, these include the following. Number one, to enhance their sports skills. Okay, the one benefit will be this, to enhance their sports skill. Obviously, if you establish a competition among a different school, so obviously there will be many children, and they will uh, give their best, give their 100% to excel in the sport. So for that they will give their 100%, right? So they will enhance, it will enhance their sports skill. Next, to boost up their confidence. Obviously, if you play, and if by chance if you win, your confidence will be very high. Okay, it will be on altitude. So to boost up their confidence as well, these are two objectives, minimum 2, maximum 4. Okay, not more than that. Okay, because proposal will be of 15 marks, right guys? After that, list of measures. Nothing had been changed till now. Heading is same, objective is same, list of measures has little change. This is again, I'm telling you, for your board examination, and you have to write same in your board examination, that these include the following. Now, अभी तक आप डेट टाइम वेन्यू कैसे लिखते थे? डेट टाइम वेन्यू, इस तरीके से, right? But now you have to write like this in one paragraph. Date, time, and simple. In one paragraph you have to write like this, and you have to put the stars like this to separate these three with each other, right? Date, time, venue. So you have to write, you have to start this line like this. This event is proposed. Very interesting word. Proposed is a very interesting word. Please write this word in your proposal. Okay, because you are proposing something, as I have told you earlier as well. Okay, this event is proposed, highly recommended word, proposed. Okay, to be held on date, that is May 2nd 2024, or whatever you want to write, from time 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. according to your own convenient time, okay, at the place, okay, the ground of your own school name, okay, the ground, your own convenient school. Suppose the ground of, suppose any school, Saint Vincent School or DePaul School, okay, Mary School, okay, there are many school. You could take your own, you have to take your own school name. Suppose your school name is XYZ. Let's take a condition, your school name is XYZ, so you have to write at the ground of your school name means XYZ, okay, means your XYZ is nothing but your school name, okay. So like this, I hope you're clear with this thing. List of measures is clear. This thing has little change. Date, time, venue, you have to write like this in one line only, okay, and you have to write this event is proposed to be held on date May 2nd 2024, whatever your exam will be on that particular date. You have to write that date, from time, and from this particular venue. I hope this is clear to you. Next, participants. Again, students of 9 to 12, students of class, here you have to write class, okay, student of class. Before that you need to write the class. Student of classes, class 9 to 12, only class, okay, singular. Students of class 9 to 12 can participate. Again, a very interesting thing, principals, teachers, and volunteers. Again, a very important words you have to put in your participants. Principals, teachers, and volunteers, because they will be the spectators, means they will see how you are going to play, how you are going to do all the things. So they will be the spectators, or they will be the you could say the like spectators, okay, who will see your sport. So you have to mention their names as well, like principals, teachers, and volunteers. Simply just common principal, teacher, volunteers, not specific name, okay. So this will be the participants. Students of class 9 to 12 can participate, principals, teachers, and volunteers. Simple. Nothing has been changed till now. Everything is just going very smoothly. Okay. Then requirement. Very important. Here you have change in requirement as well. Okay. Requirements. Till now we used to write light, table, chair, ground. Okay, these are requirements, but these are very like a teacher cannot attract by these requirements. You have to write something very attractive and something very eye-catching. Okay, so for that you have to write very interestingly that requirements should be bouncers. Okay, bouncers should be there, chairs, medals, very important, certificates, obviously, music system, refreshments, again a very important word you need to write in your proposals. Okay, but you have to write according to the question. I have said, as I have said earlier, that according to the question you have to write. If there will be any dance competition, you could write this music system refreshment. Very, I will highly recommend and highly give you this particular word, that you have to write this word. You should write this word, music system refreshment. This will help you to gain your marks. Okay, bouncers, chairs, medals, certificates, music system refreshments. Okay, next, after that, budgetary requirement. As I have told you, a budgetary requirement is required. Okay, so how you have to write, you have to write like this: an estimated amount of approx rupees 25,000 to 10,000 is required, which shall be funded by the school authority. Okay, which shall be arranged by the school authority if the budgetary requirement is required. If you are thinking that the budgetary requirement is not required, everything is done by ourselves, we have done everything by our own hard work. Okay, we have called for the money by the pupil. We have we have took the money from the society. So you have to write, since we have arranged the money from the society, hence no budgetary requirement is required now. Since we have arranged everything by ourselves. You could write like this as well. Okay, if you are not going to take the budget budget from the society, if you are taking the budget from the society, means if the society is contributing, so you could write like this: an estimated amount of approx rupees 25 to 10,000 is required, which shall be funded by the school authority. If the budgetary requirement is not required, you could simply write that since we have arranged everything by ourselves, hence no budgetary requirement is required now. Very simple line, right? Since we have arranged everything by ourselves, hence no budgetary requirement is required now. That's it. You're done with your proposal. After that, you have to write a conclusion paragraph, which is very important. And please, children, write this paragraph with black pen. I'll highly recommend you that please write this particular paragraph with black pen. Okay, this is highly, I will highly request to you, okay, that please write with black pen this particular paragraph. Okay, so how I have written, please look over there, glance over there, how I have written: by organizing the inter-school play competition, we can prepare the students who want to choose dramatics as their future goals and also boost up their confidence by taking part. What I have done here, here I have told the advantages, the merits of this particular competition. Here I have told you the merits, the advantages of this particular competition. Please write this merits. These are very important. This is called a conclusion line. Okay, till now. Okay, till here you have to write everything with a black pen. Okay, everything with a black pen. Till here, everything you have to write with black pen. Here what I have told, what I have written, here I have written that by organizing this particular occasion or this particular competition, children will be find their future goal more easily and more peacefully. They will be able to describe themselves in the particular field in the furthermore occupations. Okay, like this I have told them कि क्या फ़ायदा होगा इनसे बच्चों को आगे जब मतलब फ्यूचर में वो अपना गोल अटेन करेंगे या सर्च करेंगे कि हमें क्या करना चाहिए, तब उन्हें क्या फ़ायदा होगा. ये उनके लिए एक ऑप्शन बन जाएगा दैट दे कुड प्ले दिस वन एज वेल if the education rather than education, apart from education is not working for them. Okay, so this could also be a option, or this could also be a selection part for them. Okay, so this I have written that this will give them immense boost, immense confidence, and they will be able to describe themselves in this particular field as well. Okay, after that you have to write with blue pen. Okay, that I hope this proposal will be accepted at earliest. Very important line again, that मैं आशा करता हूँ कि ये प्रपोजल जितना जल्दी हो सके उतना जल्दी एक्सेप्ट कर लिया जाए बाय द स्कूल अथॉरिटी. ओके, एंड एट द लास्ट यू हैव टू राइट योर ओन नेम, नथिंग एल्स. हेडमैन हेड गर्ल कुछ नहीं, सिंपली योर नेम. ओके, कुछ लोग तो नेम लिखने के लिए भी मना करते हैं, बट आई हाईली रिकमेंड बिकॉज दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट, दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ योर प्रपोजल. Okay, so with this I hope you're done with your proposal, and please if you want, if you're really willing, please write this question in a notebook. Please write this question in a notebook and write this proposal as well. I'm giving you few time, please. Okay, so this was okay, so please I'll highly recommend you to write this proposal, this particular question in your notebook, so that it will be very peaceful or easeful to your exam. And please recheck to your own class teacher. Okay, once again. Otherwise I have told you a very interesting way. Otherwise it will be a very interesting way and a very safe way where you your marks cannot deduct. Even I know that board the board teacher who shall check your notebook will not cut these marks, because I have nothing left, nothing. Okay, everything has been done, and it has been done in a very particular and very simple and attractive language. Okay, so If you want, you could write this question first, then this one, then this one, then this one, then this one, then this one with the black pen. I'm again repeating till now, till here. Okay, this thing you have to write with black pen, and I hope this proposal will be accepted as the earliest will be written in blue pen. Okay, and at the last your name. That's it, nothing much more. So if you love this video, please do tell me in the comment section if it will be really helpful to you guys. And yep guys, thank you for being so nice. Bye guys.